Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. Stock number is A7034. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, a combination of leather and cloth interior. Makes for a very comfortable ride. Second row and third row seating, so plenty of room for the whole family. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a rear backup camera on the back. Taking a look inside of the hatch. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats. You can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist lift gate, so simply the press of that button, hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Taking a look inside. Cruise controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. And your climate controls are down here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Caravan on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.